In this video, we'll be talking about issues you can encounter, the possible issues you can encounter in your open doors scholarship. Um, I'll be talking from last year perspective, people that apply for last year and try to resume this year. So the issues in the first stage, I would say there's not really much issues in the first stage as far as you fill in all your details and you submit on time. So but there's no particular one. There's a test in the first stage, a test you have to take, I think over 45 or so. Whenever you are taking it, whenever you take it, you have 3 attempts. Sometimes when you take like maybe first attempt and you try to take the rest of the attempt, maybe you come back, you might see that you've already your test have been done or something, like you didn't use the remaining 2 attempts, but automatically it just shows that you can't use it like it's been used. I think that's the one problem. And sometimes you might use like 2 attempts and the third attempt is not available anymore. So I will say that's maybe like a website issue or a bug or something. It happens last year and now it's already happened this year again. Some people talk to me about it also. So that's a big it. And how to solve that one? I would say probably you have to message the support team to solve it, or you create a new account to solve it. So depending, if you already have a good score already, you don't need to bother yourself. You just go ahead and use it. But if you think you don't have a good score yet, probably you have to like create a new account, or you message support and tell them that you have this issue, and then they should help you out. So I would say that's the only issue for the first stage. While the second stage is when the exam base, the lot of issue they have last year was a very big bug or website issue or downtime during the exam stage. I know that a lot of people applied for the scholarship last year, but it looks like the morale is dropping this year also. So there may be less people applying this year. I don't know. I'm just assuming based on how my platform received the traffic last year, the WhatsApp group, the messages. So I'm using that one to judge from last year perspective. So because these are platform, a very big platform for open door scholarship. So with that, I might say they drop a little bit. So which means the problem they encountered last year might not be as much as this year, in the sense that during the second stage exam, there were a lot of problem that the website was down. Some people's link it was not going. Some it was logging them out. There are a lot of bug everywhere, like for the website during the exam period. So why some people have to like retake the exam again for some people, or postpone exam and all this kind of stuff. So but for you to be able to know how the experience also go, you have to get to second stage exam also. But be prepared. But I assume they should be able to fix the problem since last year, since they've already experienced that they should be able to fix it. Probably the platform could not take that huge number of people that did the scholarship at the time. So for the exam. So and then after the second stage, the and once you are choosing either a prize winner or a winner, the next problem that might encounter is waiting for doing your legalization, doing your what do you call it? There's one they done at the Ministry of Information and the one at the embassy. I think embassy is legalization. The other one at the Ministry of Information is more like uh, I'm mixing it together. Don't worry. You do one at the embassy and the one at the Ministry of Information. Sorry, Ministry of Education also. Yeah. So and then the main problem that last year are facing after that stage is not getting moved from stage one to distributed. They are not distributing them, and some people they are rejecting them also. So some schools rejected some people because they didn't submit some documents. You should always make sure you submit the right document when you are being asked on time. So some people got rejected by those schools, and once they are rejected, open door will reject you. So and also another thing is some people they are still first since last year, that people that won this year, that they were meant to go in the September, they have not been distributed. They are still in stage one, especially most people from African countries. Some from other countries has been distributed, but some are still there, have not gotten their visa. Some have scheduled visa dates. I know someone that has scheduled visa dates, but has not been able to go because they have not been distributed to get a visa number. So all those kind of stuff is like it's very very slow. During my own time when I applied at the time, even though I didn't go to Russia, I went to another country. When I applied at the time, it was very very fast. By July, I already got distributed in July. I already knew where to do my preparatory year in July. But I was surprised that even till August it's not even moving. Maybe I will assume because a lot of people applied this year, and it chose a lot of people compared to my set at the time. At the time, I was like on my list, maybe I remember maybe like 30 something. But this list in my department, you will see like over 100. So now compared to other department or other program also, so you can see that a lot of people were admitted this year. So I might say maybe that probably slow down the rate or the track, and they might be short of manpower, so which might make it even very very slow. So probably they will have to wait and still go next year also. So those are the things you should be expecting. So don't panic when you get there and you're expecting this kind of issues. Just join the WhatsApp group to ask questions and also follow with other people. And that will be all for today. And thank you very much and have a wonderful day. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much.